Welcome back, everyone. Okay, I've held back all show long, but I just can't wait any longer. Joining us after an early morning of apple picking in the orchard is our friend, Chef Jamie Gwen. I'm sorry, I'm just laughing so much because I want to eat everything on this table.
And
I can't talk.
I've been up since really, really early.
I can imagine. Look at this.
I went apple picking at Ralph's, of course, my favorite store, but look what I came up with. It is apple season. I'm so glad to see you. It's apple season. It's the beauty of fall and quintessential changing of the leaves, right? And apple season means apple tart tatin and baked apples and everything braised in apple cider to me. So first, let's toast if we can.
Absolutely.
With an apple cider Moscow Mule.
Oh,
now, if
cheers.
if you love a Moscow Mule and ginger beer, taste that. Tell me what you think.
Yes, the
You will
apple and
love
the ginger.
The apple edition. That's right. When you're looking for apples to buy, your favorite variety, I love Fuji's and Braeburns and Honeycrisp, you always want to look for a dense apple, Danny, one that's really heavy by weight. That's how you know you have a great quality apple.
Yeah, this is a good one.
Now, you should eat dessert first because life is uncertain.
You just keep giving me things. I'm going to let you talk, and I'm just going to start eating.
All right, you want to set it down?
Yeah.
All right, good. So we started with a cocktail, then we need an appetizer, of course. This is a really simple snack, but it's also a great first course, especially for Thanksgiving coming up when you just need a bite of something. So this is a caramelized onion, apple, and white cheddar turnover. And you start with store-bought puff pastry, which is really so easy to thaw and use. I added some caramelized apples, a couple slices of fresh Honeycrisp apple, and some shredded white cheddar. And for a turnover, all you do is fold a triangle. You can also use a glass to cut out if you want. And you'll make a simple pouch like that. They bake off in about 15 minutes. You'll do a little egg wash on the top. And you can even make them in advance and keep them in the freezer, go from the freezer to the oven.
Yeah.
It's really easy and delicious.
Easy, delicious, and I would never think of the cheddar with the apple.
Oh, such a good savory combination. It's like anyone who loves cheddar on their apple pie. Oh, so good. All right, you need a mandolin for this one, but I think this is so super impressive. This is your wow for the fall season. This is a stacked apple salad, much easier than it looks, with crispy prosciutto and crumbled blue cheese and some shaved fennel. And all you need is a mandolin, okay? Simple $20 tool, right, online. You're going to take an apple, core it out, and then you're going to mandolin slice it, just like that. And you're going to soak it in lemon water. Then you're going to stack it, like I did, as your salad. I made an apple cider vinaigrette. The recipe is on your website. And you're just going to dress it. Because I have to tell you, this is a showstopper.
Jamie, that's
right?
too pretty to eat.
It's so beautiful. I agree. I'll tell you, but it is so delicious to eat. Apples, blue cheese, and crispy prosciutto, right? I mean, really fabulous. Now, apple cider is for braising as far as I'm concerned. This is actually our Ralph's brand of organic apple cider, and I think it's delicious to sip and savor, but also to cook with. So this is apple cider braised chicken thighs with bacon and caramelized apples and rosemary potatoes. And it's a one-pan wonder. You're gonna sear the chicken off, add all of the ingredients, and throw it into the oven, and it just roasts to perfection. This is a family favorite. My mom loves it. My son loves it. It's absolutely delicious.
Like a sweet, savory thing, too?
Exactly, like a little maple syrup. The secret is that Dijon mustard and the apple cider. And then last but not least, did you have cake?
I did already, and I'm about to have another bite. This is so good.
Last night I had cake for dessert, and then I had cake for breakfast because for this apple cake, I can't decide whether it's breakfast or dessert. This is apple cake in a jar, right? You can do them in small jars or the larger size jars. If you fill them just halfway, they will bake only to the top, where you can actually put a mason jar lid on them, and they're totally transportable, which I'm thinking this is like the perfect preschool gift for my son's class, right? But the recipe is a dump recipe. It's all in one bowl. It's really easy to make. And if you want to gild the lily, I caramelized some extra apples topped with whipped cream and a little bit of ground ginger, or you could use cinnamon here. You can do it in a skillet, in a cake pan, in a jar. It's just this moist, lovely, caramelized, delicious cake.
Well, I'm going to ask a stupid question because I'm not a baker. You can just throw this in the oven?
Yes, the jars
just the
actually.
Jars just go. You can put the jars in the oven?
You can bake with mason jars right in the oven. I like to serve my Moscow mules in them too if you want a clear glass and for a crowd. If you have a case of mason jars, it's a great thing to do. And then we could make apple butter, apple chutney. Oh, we have so much wonderful cooking ahead for this season, but this is a celebration of fall, no doubt.
All right, well, Jamie, thank you so much. This is so delicious. So this is for breakfast and for dinner and for dessert
and a snack,
and I'm going to rip into that chicken after the show too.
So good, so good.
Thank you. And you can find all of the delicious apple recipes and more, like the apple cider Moscow Mule or apple cake in a jar, which I've been eating.
I'll tell you.
Just go to our website, mbcla.com/California Live. Jamie, now Jamie's getting into it. How does it taste? You're the cook.
It's so good. It's moist and caramelized, and I love that apple flavor.
So good. Always great ideas, Jamie. We love having you.
Thank you
so
I love
much.
being here.